Alright, niggas, the problem right here. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, how many customers we got? Oh, that was close. That was close. Not that. That was close. So let's go. Let's give y'all back this money, y'all. Oh, we did it? God damn, what? Nope. Level. I need 125. I don't think so. Oh, hell no. Oh, nigga, today you gonna eat that shit. Alright, we got more. 144. Okay. What happened? Nigga, give me more. God damn. Level, alright, I'm done. Level 4 completed. I don't know why they didn't give you the stuff for. I think the first time you're doing that, they will give you the stars though. So, I don't know. Oh, we got new one, chat. Hold on, yo, we got new one. Oh my god. I'm ready for y'all. Come on. Come on, man. Oh, 170. 170. Now, what we got like? Oh, thank you. All right, let's deliver right there. What happened? Let's go. 175. All right, let me 175 go. All right, let's do first that right there. Let's get this money on and this 20 on. All right, y'all, I'm waiting for y'all. Hurry up, y'all. Let's get this money on and this Tony on. Yo, come on, come on. Yo, come on, let's get this money. Shut the fuck up. Come on, y'all, let's get this money on and let's get this Tony on. Chad, come on. What we got? Stop, hey. Alright, we got 200. Alright, that's how I go. Alright. Okay. Doesn't matter if you ain't got stirs, if you got stirs, it doesn't matter. Just sub up here. Oh, 32 playing this shit? Alright, level 7. Chad's gonna be level oh shit, I don't know. 180, that's how I go. No, I don't think so. Alright, y'all, thank y'all, and this is gonna be the end of this video, y'all. I want y'all to sub up, and I wish y'all the best, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Bye bye.